Welcome to Global Footprints. Today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey to Turkey. Turkey stands at a unique crossroads, bridging the continents of Europe and Asia. From ancient ruins to modern cities, Turkey offers a captivating blend of history and culture. Get ready to experience Turkey, a destination that truly offers something for everyone. Turkey's history is a rich tapestry woven from many civilizations. Imagine exploring the ruins of Ephesus or wandering through the underground cities of Cappadocia. But Turkey is not just about the past, it's a dynamic country with a modern spirit. Bustling cities like Istanbul and Ankara showcase Turkey's economic growth and cultural dynamism. Our Turkish adventure is about to begin. Turkey occupies a fascinating geographical position, straddling Europe and Asia. This transcontinental location has profoundly impacted its history and culture. Turkey shares borders with 8 countries, enriching its heritage. The country acts as a bridge between East and West, evident in its vibrant mix of cultures and architecture. Turkey's unique location has made it a crossroads of trade routes, a historical melting pot of civilizations. Turkey is almost entirely surrounded by seas, shaping its identity as a maritime nation. Its extensive coastline stretches along the Mediterranean, Aegean, and Black Seas. These waters have influenced Turkey's climate, cuisine, and culture, attracting visitors from around the globe. From Istanbul to the turquoise coast, Turkey offers a captivating tapestry of landscapes. Turkey is a vibrant mosaic of cultures, reflecting its long history as a crossroads of civilizations. With a population exceeding 85 million, it stands as the 18th most populous country globally. This diverse population comprises a rich tapestry of ethnicities, languages, and traditions. The country's vibrant cities and towns resonate with the energy of this diversity. Ethnic Turks constitute the majority of Turkey's population, deeply rooted in Central Asian traditions. Turkish culture has absorbed influences from various civilizations, creating a unique identity. Turkish hospitality is legendary, known for its warmth and generosity. Family and community play a central role in Turkish society. Turkey is home to significant minority groups, contributing to its multicultural character. The largest of these groups are the Kurds, comprising an estimated 15 to 20% of the population. Turkey is also home to smaller communities of Circassians, Laz, Armenians, Greeks, and Jews. These groups enrich Turkey's social fabric and cultural diversity. Ankara, the bustling capital of Turkey, stands in stark contrast to the historical grandeur of Istanbul. Located in the Anatolian highlands, Ankara embodies Turkey's progress and ambition. Chosen as the capital in 1923 by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, it symbolizes a new era for the country. Today, Ankara is home to government buildings, embassies, and universities. The Museum of Anatolian Civilizations and Anıtkabir reflect its rich history and modern identity. Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey, straddles Europe and Asia, connected by the Bosphorus Strait. For centuries, Istanbul served as the capital of mighty empires, leaving an indelible mark on its urban fabric. The Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque are architectural masterpieces. The Grand Bazaar and the Spice Market offer a sensory overload of colors, aromas, and sounds. Istanbul is a city of unparalleled historical significance. The official language of Turkey is Turkish, a melodic and expressive language. Turkish belongs to the Turkic language family and uses a modified Latin alphabet. The transition to a Latin-based alphabet in 1928 aimed to increase literacy rates. Turkish grammar, though different from English, is logical and consistent. While Turkish dominates, Turkey is home to a diverse array of minority languages. Kurdish is the most widely spoken minority language, primarily in the southeastern regions. Other minority languages include Arabic, Zaza, Circassian, Laz, Armenian, and Greek. Efforts are being made to preserve and promote these languages, enriching Turkey's cultural landscape. Islam is deeply intertwined with Turkish society, with approximately 99% of the population identifying as Muslim. The majority adhere to Sunni Islam, with mosques serving as centers of worship and community. A smaller but significant percentage belong to Alevism, a distinct branch of Islam. Alevism emphasizes spiritual enlightenment, tolerance, and respect for all faiths. Despite the prevalence of Islam, Turkey is officially a secular state, ensuring the separation of religious institutions from government affairs. This promotes religious freedom and equality for all citizens. Christianity and Judaism have long histories in Turkey, with communities dating back centuries. Turkey's commitment to secularism and religious freedom stands as a testament to its pluralistic nature. The Turkish lira, denoted by TRY, serves as the official currency of Turkey. Despite fluctuations, the Turkish economy is dynamic and resilient. Turkey operates a mixed economy, blending free market capitalism with some government regulation. The nation possesses a spirit of entrepreneurship and determination. Turkey's economy rests on a diverse foundation with contributions from agriculture industry and tourism. Turkish textiles and automotive production are crucial engines of economic growth. Tourism attracts millions of visitors each year, supporting businesses and creating jobs. Turkey's strategic location and well-developed infrastructure bolster its economic standing. A culinary journey through Turkey. Turkish cuisine is a celebration of flavor woven from centuries of cultural influences. Situated at the crossroads of East and West, Turkey has a rich culinary legacy. It blends Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Central Asian flavors. From Istanbul's streets to Anatolian villages, food is integral to Turkish culture. Turkish food is renowned for its freshness and quality. Emphasizing seasonal ingredients, Turkish chefs transform fine ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Meals are social events, opportunities to gather and share stories. The essence of Turkish flavors is a harmonious blend of savory and sweet, spicy and tangy. Each region boasts its own unique specialties. One cannot speak of Turkish food without mentioning the iconic kebab. From the succulent doner kebab, thinly sliced meat roasted on a vertical spit, to the flavorful shish kebab, marinated cubes of meat grilled to perfection. Kebabs are a testament to Turkey's mastery of grilled meats. Another cornerstone of Turkish cuisine is kofte, flavorful meatballs crafted from ground lamb or beef. Kofte is incredibly versatile, appearing in various forms. No Turkish meal is complete without a generous serving of pilav, fragrant rice pilaf often cooked in butter and seasoned with aromatic spices. Turkish breakfasts are legendary, showcasing the country's love for fresh, flavorful and diverse spreads. A typical Turkish breakfast features an array of cheeses, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, jams, honey, and freshly baked bread. Simit, a sesame-encrusted bread ring, is a breakfast staple, often enjoyed with a cup of strong Turkish tea known as K. Turkish desserts offer a symphony of textures and flavors that satisfy any sugar craving. Baklava, crafted from phyllo dough, nuts and honey, is Turkey's most famous sweet treat. Turkish delight, or lokum, made from starch and sugar, often flavored with rosewater or pistachio. Gulak, a milk pudding with pastry, rosewater and pomegranate seeds, is popular during Ramadan. Turkish coffee, brewed in a çezve, is an integral part of Turkish culture. Turkish tea, or K, is enjoyed throughout the day in tulip-shaped glasses. Turkey's history is a captivating saga at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. The land has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving a mark. From the ancient Hittites to the Lydians, known for their wealth and coinage, to the Greeks who brought cultural exchange, leaving marvels like the Temple of Artemis, and the Romans who enriched Turkey's cultural tapestry. The Byzantine Empire, centered in Constantinople, ruled for centuries. Christianity flourished, with churches like the Hagia Sophia. Eventually, the Ottoman Turks arrived, marking a new era. The Ottoman Empire, founded by Osman I in the late 13th century, ruled vast territories in Southeast Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa for over 6 centuries. The conquest of Constantinople in 1453 marked a turning point, ending the Byzantine Empire and establishing Istanbul as the Ottoman capital. Under Ottoman rule, Islam became a dominant force in Anatolia. The Ottomans were known for their architectural grandeur, with magnificent mosques, palaces, and bridges. The Süleymaniye Mosque in Istanbul stands as a testament to the empire's artistic and engineering prowess. The modern Republic of Turkey emerged in 1923, founded by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Atatürk's legacy continues to shape Turkey today, emphasizing education, women's rights, and national unity. Turkish culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from its diverse history. Turkish music, with its roots in Ottoman classical music and folk traditions, is both soulful and energetic. Turkish carpets, renowned for their intricate designs and vibrant colors, are prized possessions worldwide. Turkey's heartland, Anatolia, is a land of ancient wonders and natural marvels. Cappadocia, in central Turkey, is a surreal landscape sculpted by volcanic eruptions millions of years ago. Its fairy chimneys, towering rock formations sculpted by wind and erosion create an otherworldly panorama. Hot air balloon rides over Cappadocia at sunrise offer breathtaking views of this geological marvel, painting the sky with a kaleidoscope of colors. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish, is another natural wonder that draws visitors from far and wide. Its cascading terraces of white travertine pools, formed by mineral-rich thermal waters, create a surreal and mesmerizing landscape. The ancient city of Hierapolis, perched atop the terraces, adds a historical dimension to this natural spectacle. For those seeking adventure, Mount Ararat, the highest peak in Turkey, beckons with its snow-capped summit. Legend has it that Mount Ararat is the resting place of Noah's Ark, adding a biblical allure to this majestic mountain. Whether you're an experienced climber or simply an admirer of nature's grandeur, Mount Ararat is a sight to behold. Turkey's extensive coastline, lapped by the waters of the Mediterranean, Aegean and Black Seas, offers a diverse tapestry of coastal charms and ancient ruins. Antalya, nestled on the Turkish Riviera, is a popular destination for sun-seekers and history buffs alike. Its picturesque harbour, framed by ancient city walls, is a reminder of its Roman past. Duden waterfalls, cascading into the Mediterranean Sea, create a mesmerising spectacle. The ancient city of Ephesus, once a bustling port city in Roman times, stands as one of Turkey's most well-preserved archaeological sites. Its grand theatre, with its capacity to hold over 25,000 spectators, is a testament to the city's former glory. The Library of Celsus, with its ornate facade, is another architectural gem that transports visitors back to Ephesus's golden age. For those seeking a more secluded escape, the Turquoise Coast, stretching along the southwestern coast of Turkey, offers pristine beaches, secluded coves, and crystal-clear waters. Fethiye, a charming town nestled on a natural harbour, is a popular starting point for boat tours exploring the nearby islands and hidden bays. Istanbul, the only city in the world to straddle 2 continents, is a mesmerizing blend of Eastern and Western influences, a city where history, culture, and modernity converge. The Hagia Sophia stands as a testament to Istanbul's Byzantine heritage. Its conversion to a mosque and current status as a museum reflect the city's layered past. The Blue Mosque facing the Hagia Sophia is an architectural marvel of the Ottoman era, renowned for its 6 minarets and intricate blue Iznik tiles. The Grand Bazaar is a sensory overload of colors, aromas, and sounds. Istanbul is a city that never sleeps, offering something for everyone. Turkey is a land of remarkable diversity. It's a place where ancient history and modern culture coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're drawn to its rich historical sites, its vibrant cultural tapestry, or its stunning natural beauty, Turkey offers something for everyone. Imagine yourself wandering through the bustling streets of Istanbul. Hear the echoes of empires blend with the sounds of modern life. Picture yourself floating above the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia in a hot air balloon. Or perhaps you're relaxing on the sun-drenched beaches of the turquoise coast, the crystal clear waters lapping at your feet. Turkey's culinary scene is a journey in itself. From savoury kebabs and mezes to sweet baklava and Turkish delight, your taste buds will thank you. And let's not forget the warmth and hospitality of the Turkish people. They welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share their culture and traditions. As we conclude our virtual journey through Turkey, we hope we've sparked your curiosity and inspired you to experience this incredible country firsthand. Turkey is a destination that will captivate your senses, challenge your perspectives, and leave a lasting impression on your soul. From its vibrant cities to its serene landscapes, Turkey offers a sensory feast. Discover the hidden gems tucked away in ancient ruins. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of its people. Let the flavors of Turkish cuisine tantalize your taste buds. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Global Footprints. We hope you've enjoyed exploring Turkey with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting travel adventures from around the globe. Until next time, Global Explorers.